So what do you think of AAPG then and now?
Okay, 2 years back when we started UPS AP student chapter, then we were just like sophomores, and we were like novice in this journey. And now when we have completed 2 years successfully, and uh, I personally see this chapter has grown so much, and this whole evolution has been so remarkable.
Most interesting moment of the year.
Okay. Uh, Most interesting moment would be, I would rather say it was the best moment when we had applied for distinguished lecture program in 2000 back in 2012. We didn't get it, but this year uh, I got a mail for the distinguished lecture series, and Mr. Bruce Folk was visiting our campus. So it was the one of the most memorable moment in my AAPG journey.
What do you think the executive should be entitled with?
Like if you ask me for this question, I would like to say for Harshit, I'd like to go for Mr. Perseverant. For Anshul Sindhwani, who's the vice president now, I would like to give Mr. Rowdy Professional. And for Miss Shagun, I'd like to go for Miss Flamboyant. Finally, for Mr. Abhi Mata, who's the treasurer, I'd like to give him Mr. Plant.
Okay, when I look back, we started with 4 core committee members and almost 25 members. And after 2 years now, we have at least a committee of 70 members, and more than 450 members are associated with this. And with the pace and with the quality that we are working, I think we can surely win the Best Student Chapter Award.
And when you thought your hard work had paid off?
Well, in AAPG there have been a lot of moments, a lot of occasions when I actually felt that my hard work had paid off. But the two significant moments when I felt that yes, it had paid off was the very first time when the number of members in the committee and the number of members in AAPG rose from a mere 30 to 70 in the core committee, and a lot more in the society as just normal members. So that was the first time, because I was a public relations head, so definitely I felt that the kind of publicity that I did throughout, and the classes, all the classes I had to visit, and all the students I had to explain everything to, had paid off. And the second time when the screening of the Switch project was a success, because we had been working for a pretty long time. We were looking forward to the sponsorship. We were inviting colleges, and we were doing everything possible. And all the students, not only me, but all the people who were working with me. And when it was a success, one of the most successful events of AAPG, that is definitely when I felt that yes, my hard work had paid off.
What do you think has been the most memorable event in your AAPG journey?
Well, when I and Harshit went to DIT Dehradun 18 months back for the publicity of Corporate Monopoly 1, the way they responded, the way they showed respect, the way they welcomed us was really appreciable. We were feeling like on the top of the world.
What do you think is one quality of APGians that sets them apart?
Well, I think the bond we share as a family, and the self-belief, self-confidence. As we all know that self-confidence is one of the most attractive quality a person can have. How can anyone see how awesome you are until you can't see it in yourself?
Yes.
So, well, I find it very good, self-belief.